The Black & Decker Dustbuster Pivot was sent to me for a review by AO. I found that the delivery was absolutely brilliant. I ordered it on the Wednesday and it arrived on the Friday, so within 48 hours, and I was able to specify when I wanted it to be delivered. I was then given a 4-hour time window, and it arrived early during that time window, which was absolutely perfect, so it meant I didn't have to wait around all day for the delivery. The Dustbuster Pivot is perfect for small areas, such as getting into the corners, doing the stairs and doing the boot of the car. It's great because you don't have to carry it around. As you can see, it's wall mounted, and it charges itself up whilst it's mounted on the wall. Once it's been sat in its charger for a little while, you can use it for 15 minutes without it running out of charge. It's brilliant that it's cordless because you don't have to lug a cord around, and obviously the item itself is really light and easy to carry. In fact, my 3-year-old has used it quite happily. The nozzle rotates to make things a little bit easier to reach. You can see now that there's a brush on the end of the nozzle just here, and that brush makes it a lot easier to loosen dirt that's on the carpet. And such things as pet hairs are a lot easier to get off with a brush like that on the end. It's very easy to empty. It's completely bagless, so you just empty this part here, and there's also a filter inside which is equally easy to change. So I've decided to put it to the test on my car boot. As you can see, we've got children and dogs, so the dogs end up travelling in the boot and the boot's ended up in a little bit of a mess, so I'm going to test out the Dustbuster on the boot to see how effective it is. This is perfect for getting into all the difficult to reach bits that I wouldn't manage with any normal vacuum cleaner. As you can see, there's quite a lot of dog hair there and around here, and I'd never get the usual vacuum cleaner in. I found that using the Dustbuster on the car boot was ideal for the smaller areas. It's not powerful enough to get all of the dog hair off, and I would still need to use a large vacuum to get everything off from the larger areas of the boot. However, for small areas, which is what it's designed for, it's absolutely perfect.